The government has said that the cash flow situation in the country is improving by the day and the focus now is on printing more rupees 500 notes. Secretary for Economic Affairs has said that this was for the first time that currency notes were indigenously designed with security features that make the possibility of counterfeiting very less.
The situation is improving, and if anything, the situation will only improve after 30th December, because more and more notes are going on. You see, the problem has been little compounded by the fact that 2000 rupee notes were kept, without putting it back into circulation. So when more 500 rupee notes go into the system, so even 2000 rupee notes also will come out circulation.
There are 2.2 lakh ATMs in the country and almost all the ATMs have now been recalibrated. Secretary for Economic Affairs has said that airlifting of currency will continue wherever necessary and more emphasis will be on the rural areas to ensure enough cash is being provided there. The total number of notes in lower denominations of rupees 100 and below supplied in the last 5 weeks is 3 times more than what the RBI supplied last year.
लोकल लेवल में ईच रीजनल डायरेक्टर जो है आरबीआई के, उनके साथ जो लोकल ऑफिशियल्स इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट के, और जहां जहां ज़रूरत है सीबीआई की हो या एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट की हो, लोकल लेवल में उनका एक जॉइंट कोऑर्डिनेशन मैकेनिज्म फॉर्म किया गया है और वो डाटा माइनिंग करके दे विल बी इन ए पोजीशन टू नैरो डाउन टू द सोर्स.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court heard several pleas related to demonetization. The centre, in a reply to the Apex Court, said that, so far, new currency worth 5 lakh crores has been released to banks. The top court was also told that up till 14th of November, 8,000 crores had been deposited with district cooperative banks alone. After demonetization on the 8th of November, 500 and 1,000 rupee notes that had been in circulation were scrapped. The government thereafter announced that various concessions, including allowing the use of the old rupees 500 notes for essential services, will continue till the midnight of the 15th of December. The old rupees 500 notes will not be accepted beginning the 16th of December, that is from Friday.
हम लोगों को तो इतनी टेंशन नहीं है, मिडिल क्लास लोगों को इतनी हमारे पास सेविंग्स थी, हमने बैंक में डाल के अपनी चेंज करवा ली है, तो इसलिए कोई टेंशन नहीं है मुझे कि आज 500 के बंद भी हो जाएंगे तो शाम.
Over the next 15 days, from the 16th of December to the 30th of December, all 500 rupees and 1,000 rupees currency can be deposited in banks only. The exchange of all rupees 500 notes is permitted at RBI counters till the 31st of March 2017. News Night Desk, DD News.